The following is a dialogue between a teacher and a Tagalog-speaking student during a university academic counseling session. Dialogue begins now. Hi Jenny, how are you? Please take a seat.
Magandang araw po, Professor. Estudyante po ako sa inyong klase ng social welfare. Hindi ko po naiintindihan ng mabuti ang inyong mga aralin, kaya hindi ko po natapos ang aking mga gawain.
Thank you for sharing your concerns. Let's see what we can do about that. Why is it difficult to understand my classes?
Ang Ingles po ay aking pangalawang wika. Naiintindihan ko po ang karamihan, pero may mga nahuhulog ako kapag mabilis kayo magsalita.
Oh, all right. I'm sorry that I talk so quickly. I try to speak slowly, but sometimes I forget.
At mahirap din po kapag bago ang paksa. May mga bagong terminolohiya na hindi ko pa po narinig dati.
I'll email you my lesson notes before the class. Then you'll be able to study and understand new terms. Also, if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Magaganda po sana iyon. Salamat po. Sa ganoon ay makakapag-focus na ako sa paksa nang hindi nag-aalala na maiwan sa aralin.
You can record my lessons too. You will already have my notes. You can listen to the recordings and ask questions to your classmates or have discussions with them.
Magandang ideya po iyan. Magsusulat po ako ng notes habang klase at makikinig sa recording mamaya para masiguro na walang mahahalagang nalampasan.
Yes, and study groups will be helpful. I will send you the details to you by email.
Hindi ko po alam na may study group. Tiyak po na sasali ako. Salamat po sa mungkahi. Nag-aalala po kasi ako na baka hindi ko matapos ang kurso.